Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, remote vehicle start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, Sirius XM radio, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.